Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today is an exciting day. My squad mentor box just arrived on my doorstep, full of Happy Planner new release items, and I can't wait to see what's inside here. So if you'd like to check it out with me, keep watching. First off, I just want to mention, I know it's open. I peeked in. I didn't take anything out yet. I don't really know what's in here. I ripped it open so that'd be easier for me to actually take it out and show you the stuff. It did arrive a little beat up, but this is like a giant box. I can't lift it up because it's too heavy. First of all, I just want to give a big thank you to Happy Planner for sending me these items. I'm always so grateful when I get a box of free stuff in the mail. I mean, who wouldn't be? So thank you, Happy Planner. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Before I get started, I just want to mention that these products that I'm showing you release on the Happy Planner website at 9 a.m. Pacific time tomorrow, Thursday, September 9th. Everything that is shown here, plus a bunch of other new products, there is so many. For example, there are 33 new sticker books coming to the Happy Planner website on Thursday. There's a lot of stuff in this new release and a lot of really cute stuff. This is just some of it. Another thing I'd like to mention before I open the box is that I do have a Happy Planner affiliate link, and I would really appreciate it if you would use it if you're planning to purchase anything on the website on Thursday. It's of no cost to you. All you do is click my link, and then I get a small commission from your purchase, but your purchase is like the same. So I would really appreciate it if you would take the time to just save that link. It's always in the description box below. The Happy Planner Squad members and mentors work really hard to bring you this information. So if you don't use my link, I would appreciate it if you would use one of theirs, just because it really helps us out a great deal. Okay, so I'm gonna stop talking and just I wanna open it and see what's inside. Okay, so first up we have, I was really hoping I would get this one. This is the new meal planning layout. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing flip throughs of a lot of this stuff. Definitely something like this that's really new. So keep an eye out on my channel. Probably it's up now and you can go check out all the flip throughs in detail, but I'm just kind of doing a quick showing you of what I got. Okay, I know I'm talking a lot, I'm sorry. I got the dog. I got the dog planner, you guys. They know me. They know me. Oh, Bumble came running over. Maybe she saw the dogs. I can't wait to look at that. Okay. Oh, and that is a 12-month vertical layout. So, and they're classic size. This one's also a classic size 12-month planner. This is the horizontal layout. Sorry, this is noisy. I see a lot of sticker books. I'm going to show you those last. Okay, next up, ooh, look at this. I have a silicone pencil case, and this is the Miss Maker one. Look how cute it is. And I love that it's gray because it's pretty neutral. I really love these. I keep these on my desk for just things that I use for filming, like my scissors, like pens. These are perfect. I have maybe 4 of them now, and I'm gonna start organizing my pens by different categories for when I can just grab it and go. I see more sticker books. I'm not showing them to you yet. Okay, let's see. We have, okay, this is an ingredients list. Okay, that obviously is going to go with the meal planner. Ooh, I see butterflies. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are this is a mini note paper with the butterflies on it. That's a hint of what's to come, I think. I'm hoping I got something. We'll see. I'm hoping for the daily planner. So this is a 12-month. Ooh, I didn't know this one existed. Unless this is the monthly layout. I can't wait to check these out. No, it looks different, I think. Wait, I'm peeking. Oh, it's different. This is a checklist layout, you guys. I've never seen this. So this is a 12-month classic checklist layout. And I'll show it to you quick like the back of it. Do you see that? So I think that they realized we need a lot of checklists. Maybe they saw all of us doing those lines, right? Maybe. I don't know. But that's really cool. That's different. I want to get all this stuff out of the way. All of the bubble wrap. It's too much. Next up, we have a big Love for Letters planner companion accessory pack. This is cute. Look, it comes with a little pouch. So cute. And we have a 12-month Lovely Letters planner. I love lettering, so I'm going to love this one. And that's a big size. And then we have a big 12-month checklist layout planner. Make all the things. Okay, so I got the big daily planner. I didn't even know they had a big version. And this is like those butterflies, the papillon, or however you say it. I don't know how to say it, but look how cute they are. Oh no, I love that. Not oh no, oh yes. I love that. So I am so excited that the Happy Planner came out with a daily planner. Like, this is something I've wanted for a long time. So I'm really stoked about this. Okay, let's see. We have a big size. So we have a big size daily planner extension pack, which is good. I will need that. And then an undated planner. Okay, so another planner extension pack in the big size. Wait, is this the big size? Yes. And this is the Miss Maker. I got the monthly layout. Yes, I need another monthly layout for next year. This is the 12-month monthly layout planner in those beautiful butterflies. And, ooh, I got a recipe organizer, a new one. And a Happy Notes, create what you love. This is a lined Happy Notes. It's still going. Okay. Okay, so I have a 12-month mini dashboard. And more sticker books that I'm going to put aside. Oh my goodness, I got a lot of stickers. Got a lot of stickers. Okay. Got a lot of paper on the bottom here. Let me move this box. This is the end of the box. Okay. Uh-oh, cat fight. You might hear some pet noises in the background. So I've got some Christmas filler paper. And a Miss Maker Planner Companion Accessory Pack. I love that they put the pouches on the outside. Hang on, I gotta break up the fight. Sorry about that. Benny was attacking Wallace. Nothing new. Okay, we have some recipe paper. Ooh, look at this new layout. I like that. It's so sophisticated, look. And there's no color on it, which I love. I've been using filler paper for the recipes just because I like to have like no color and I like to make it my own, but I might be using these, you guys. That's really cool. Okay, so I have a meal planning extension pack. I love like the real photos in this stuff. I know it's not for everyone. I just love the real photo, like stickers and the real photo. Dividers. And then we have an undated daily planner extension pack for the classic. That's cool. Okay, and then some filler paper. Oh, the lettering filler paper. Look. Nice. Okay, so that's all of like the planner stuff, which is a lot. I know. Let's check out the stickers. Okay. I have a lot of sticker books here. First off, we have 2 of the little sticker packs. So, ooh, colorful desert. Look at that. That looks cool. Again, I'm going to be flipping through all this stuff because, you know, I want to see it, and I know you do too. Miss Maker. Who's excited that Miss Maker is coming back? I'm super stoked about that. I know everybody loves Miss Maker, and I think that a lot of people are excited for this. Speaking of Miss Maker, and something new from the Happy Planner. So they started coming out with these, look for reference. Okay, so this is a giant sticker book. I am in love with these. I only got one, so I'm going to need to buy all of them. I don't know how many there are, but come here, Bumble. Okay, as I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted by this girl right here, who is a little riled right now and needs a haircut, obviously. As I was saying, I really am loving that they made these bigger sticker books because they're like a nice medium size between like the value pack stickers and the Mambi sticks, which are those giant ones. Like, this is going to be perfect for me, and I can't wait to get them all. I don't know how many there are, but I hope there's quite a few. I know there's at least 2. I'm going to show you real quick because this girl wants to play, and I just ran her in the yard, but apparently she doesn't care about that. Okay, I got the Christmas sticker book. Mini Let Love Grow. Yes, colorful dogs. They know me. They know me. The big neutral watercolors. The Papillon, or I think I'm saying that wrong. Anyway, look at that. This is like one I'm real excited for. Another little one was hiding. This is a foodie. Okay, Southern Farmhouse. This is another one I'm really excited for. Abstract watercolor. I got the Mini Spoonful of Faith. I do have this one, but I'm glad to have another one because these are beautiful. I love the illustrations in these. Keep Going. I got another classic Spoonful of Faith. Or wait, maybe I didn't have the classic one. Was that the one where we didn't have the classic, or was that the other one? I can't remember. Anyway, I love this. I got the big Walk by Faith. Seasons. Mini Color Story. Seasonal Fall, yes. Another one is hiding in here, little one, colorful dogs. Big Marabou Design. I have that one already. It's gorgeous. And Marble Faith. So that is everything I got in my box. I am super excited. I can't wait to make my list of all the stuff I didn't get that I still want, because there's, let's face it, there's a lot of things I still want. So let me know what you're most excited about in the comments below. Bumble's stating her opinion. And I would love to hear what you're going to purchase or what you're most excited about for Thursday's release. And don't forget, I do have that affiliate link. I will link it down below. I also will have coupon codes for you. I don't know if I told you that in the beginning. There's going to be 3 coupon codes, I think, and I don't have them memorized, so I'm going to put them in the description box. I will also put a comment down there with those in there, because don't forget to use the codes. They will save you some money. Okay, well, I hope that you liked this little, unboxing. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, Happy Planner. I am so grateful for everything that you send me. And have a nice day, everyone. Bye.